Our money tip, the top 5 online auction sites to find the deals. And I wanted to find the real deals. And so number 1 is Gov Deals. I don't know if you've ever been over there, but these provide service to various government agencies where they sell surplus and confiscated items over the internet. So for example, I saw grade A+ MacBook Pro, excellent condition, $420. That's what it's starting at. Toyota Prius, the starting bid was $1,000, 2015, by the way. Got all kinds of other deals to tell you about, like a sectional sofa, $500. And then number 2 on the list is ShopGood. I don't know if you've been over there, but for example, I saw a Fujifilm FinePix camera. This was $9.95. An Apple iMac, $175. A Dyson vacuum, $7.99. Definitely worth checking out. Number 3 on the list is propertyroom.com. I don't know if you've heard about this. Works with more than 3,000 law enforcement agencies and municipalities nationwide to help auction off seized, stolen, abandoned, and surplus goods. 1994 Jeep Wrangler, current bid when I checked it out was $600. Men's Omega watch, $118, 14 karat gold. An iPad 4 was $200 when I checked it out. Treasury auctions is exactly what it is. It's roughly 300 public auctions conducted through the U.S. to sell forfeited property. They had a Cadillac, some rare coins. They actually had, this was kind of crazy, an early 1900s home up for grabs. 2-bedroom, 1 bath, built in 1909. It's in Jacksonville, Florida for $50,000. And finally, Municipid. They are basically government agencies, schools, authorities, utilities sell their surplus and forfeitures directly to the public here. A 2012 Dodge Charger, 88,000 miles, $1,000. 1920s baby grand piano, $250. A Schwinn bike. Looked like it was actually in decent shape, $30. So anyway, to check them all out, look no further than the official homepage of the Kim Komando Show. That's KOMANDO.com. And once you're there, hit that Show Picks button.